Welcome to another free wood project. In this one I'm going to be making these tea light candle holders from these pallet blocks. This is going to be a really basic project and you'll need very few tools to complete it. You'll need a sander, but you could hand sand these, a hammer to remove the nails and to disassemble the pallets, and a drill with a 40mm Forstner bit. You can pretty much always find pallets for free either on Facebook Marketplace or from businesses who are looking to get rid of them. Once you have the wood, you just need to disassemble the pallets, remove the blocks, and then take out any nails. With all the blocks ready, you can mark and drill the holes ready to take the candles. Then you just need to decide how you want to finish them. I'm going to make a few different versions. First up, this rustic one, which I'm just going to give a really light sand down. Then this second one, I'm going to sand it down and then scorch it to darken it up. This orbital sander is playing up, so I'm going to use belt sander, but it's a little bit more aggressive, so you're better off using an orbital sander. Then this one, I'm going to try and sand nice and smooth and then finish it off with varnish. Once you're happy, all you need to do is just pop a tea light candle in and you're done. This is such a beginner-friendly project with no expensive tools needed. And as you can see, you get a pretty decent result without too much work. If you want to see more of these free wood projects, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.